Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you a video, you can see it probably on the title or somewhere up there, showing you how to use Turo when you're renting a car that you're picking up at the airport. So I've done other Turo videos before in the past showing you how to use the Turo Go app. You can find that video down below in the description. That'll help you out on how to use the app itself. Now, keep in mind that video was made probably like 5 years ago, so some of the things might have changed, but for the most part, it's about the same. In this video, while I'm renting the car, I'll also talk about some of the questions I get a lot from based off the first Turo video that I made. Also, my overall experience with the Turo rental itself. Also, for my regular viewers, there will be a vlog in this video as well. So for you that watch me regularly, look out for that. For those who are only here to watch the Turo part of it, feel free to stick around for the vlog part of the video. Hope you enjoy that and you check out some of my other videos. If not, totally understandable. You're just here to gain some knowledge about Turo itself. Specifically in this video, renting a car at the airport, which in my opinion, right off the bat, super convenient. Let's get into the video. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to fill out like where, let's say for example, in our case, we went to the Bob Hope Airport and then I selected the dates, the times, and all that. There's also a little part for age. What I did, because I wanted a specific car, I put the make and model. You don't have to do that. For me, it was important. You have yourself this map over here to show you where the cars are. I feel like this is only really important if you're going to go pick up the car itself. Like, so for example, if you're going to Uber or get a ride to the car, you get to see how far it is from your airport. But what mattered to me was that it would be an on-site, if you can see right here, on-site at BUR. Since it was my first time, I didn't know if on-site meant that it was there already for me or if they were gonna come drop it off. With that said, I do have clarification on on-site. A person messaged me and asked if I wanted the car to just be dropped off there. So what to expect when you arrive at the airport, and that is a form of communication with the person you're renting from. I was communicating with the person I was renting from my regular cell phone number, so my regular text message. You could use the messenger on the app itself. Right around the time that you're able to use your cell phone before you get out of the airplane, I would text the person that you're renting from, say, hey, we just landed. In our case, once we came out of the terminal, we actually got on the phone and started talking to the renter to let them know specifically where we were standing, what we look like, things like that. That's also around the time that you want to pull out your Turo and the app already knows like, hey, it's check-in time. So you're checking in with the car. Let's say you are able to, you would take photos there of the car and upload them. And that's pretty much it. If not, then you will pull off to the side or wherever you're safe to and take photos and same thing, upload them, and you're pretty much good to go. In a case like this where it's a Tesla, we did have access to the car actually prior to getting there. They granted me access. I already have a Tesla, so that was super easy. It's almost like you have 2 Teslas on your app or whatever. Maybe you already have more than 1 Tesla, but let's say you only have 1 Tesla, now you have another one on there on your app, and you can go between the 2 cars or whatever amount of cars you have. If you don't have a Tesla, I guess you would then have to download the Tesla app. But if you don't want to do that either, there is a Tesla key with the car, or the owner will give it to you and you could just use that as well. I just found it super convenient to just have the Tesla app and then the key just as a, just in case there's something wrong with the app or it can't connect for some reason. Other than that, you're pretty much done. Once you're checked in with the Turo app, then you just go along like any other car, and you won't be using the app unless that's your only method of messaging the person, the renter, and there's something that goes wrong, or you need to report something that goes wrong and to Turo. Other than that, you're not really using the Turo app until, let's say everything goes well, you're not using the Turo app again until the very end when you're checking out. And the checkout is even easier than the check-in. You're just pretty much saying you're done. The person on their end that you're renting from is just pretty much saying you're done as well. And that's about it. So Super easy, man, really convenient. The renter was super nice to let us choose between leaving the car there and picking us up to avoid some fees at the parking. When we dropped off the car, same thing. They offered the option of us leaving the car there, later on charge us for the fee of taking the car out from the parking lot. So either way, you as the renter would have to pay for any fees. Keep that in mind, even after technically the rental is done, because if you're parking it at the airport for your own convenience, it then becomes more work for them and also a fee that they would have to pay. So they would just put that on the app for you to pay. So with that said, same thing with the supercharge. So when I supercharged the car at the Tesla cafe, got a charge on Turo afterwards for that. So I thought because I was using my own Tesla app that it would charge me, but no, it actually charges whatever credit card the car is connected to, so not the app that's being used. So keep that in mind, because you will get a charge. I think in our case it was like $22 to supercharge.
Just like your gas vehicle, you want to give it back to them sort of at the charge or the fuel that they gave it to you. But let's just say, like for example, the person I rented it from messaged me, well actually I messaged them and said, hey, clarification for the charge, do I need to charge it before giving it back? And they said, well, you know, I know that you're here just for the day, kind of in a rush, just drop it off at the parking garage and that they will charge me whatever it costs them to charge it afterwards. So far, my experience with this, very awesome. The person that I'm renting from has been really great at communicating, has been very cool at just being chill about everything, like just really relaxed, like, hey, I'm gonna pick you up so you don't have to pay the extra from getting out of the garage, to like, oh, hey, by the way, I'm gonna be there when you drop off your car, no need to go park it, just, you know, go to your terminal. So very nice experience. Hopefully those of you who are watching have a similar and or better experience than what I'm going through. I mean, this has been great. So yeah, I hope nothing but the best for your experience. There's also something else. So one of my most popular Turo videos was made about 5 years ago. And the number one question I get from people, and it's a little sus when they ask, is do they ask for a picture of your ID? Do they need a picture of your face? Things like that. And at the time when I made the video 5 years ago, I was just basing it off of that. And the answer was like, no, like you pretty much just go to your car, you grab it and you go, kind of thing. And it still might be that way for Turo Go. I think that's what it's called. The one where you just grab the car on your own and just leave. But now I'm starting to think maybe it's not. The day before I came here to LA to pick up the car for the day, the Turo app was already asking for not only a picture of my ID by itself, the driver's license, but also a picture of me holding the driver's license. So I think I know why people are asking if it asks for a photo of you and your ID and all that. I have a feeling I know why, you know. Whoa, look at this. Some of you might or might not be into that. It is a Lamborghini Urus. Yeah, by the way, if you're just watching this for Turo, I also do car spotting videos, car meets, car shows, and I also have a couple cars myself that I work on or do things with on my YouTube. Anyways, hope you subscribe and check out my other content. But back to what I was saying. I think for sus reasons, people are asking me if they ask you for photos of yourself and your ID. So I'm not gonna say what I think you should do if we're doing some sus stuff. But to answer your questions, the people who are asking, yes, now they do indeed ask for a photo of your driver's license and you holding your driver's license prior to you picking up the car. So, and it has to be approved by the person who's renting it to you. There you go. Hopefully those of you who had that question from my last videos see this video and there's your answer. Asking if I park straight, I said I park gay. You can have it. Since we have a Tesla for our, what's it called again? Arturo, we figure we start at the, what is it called? The Tesla Diner.
Look, my favorite. Oh, it's on the back. Yeah. Oh, I have to charge it. Check out the wrap on this. I know it's not for everyone, but dude, I love pretty much almost all type of cars. But yeah, oh, is there a weight? Pickup line forms here. Oh, this is for pickup walk-on line forms here. Check out their bathrooms. Look at that. Crazy. So this works out perfect because as we're supercharging our Turo, it sounds our Turo or my Turo. It's better if I just say my Turo instead of our Turo. My Turo car, we get to check out the Tesla diner. So hopefully we can go inside. We didn't plan on coming here to eat or anything, but maybe we'll grab a burger or something. By the way, if you guys ever heard of Justin TV and you know what that means, Nexi Dre.
World famous.
A bunch of superchargers down that way. But yeah, for sure. We're gonna stand in line, see what happens, see if we get in or not. Can we share a regular like burger?
Yeah.
Or you know what I mean, like a smash burger thing?
It's like for the yeah. Okay, you want to check that?
Oh, look at the Cybertruck. How much is that? 175?
Check out. Yeah.
Yeah, like a bar type thing. Plenty of places to eat. Or sit and eat, I should say. We go to the sky pad this way, either elevator or stairs. It goes, I think, the first built human, what does that say? Yeah, Optimus, the first one.
Enjoy.
Thank you, appreciate
Thank you so much.
it. Go eat it upstairs. Oh wait, did Mary get hers yet? Oh no.
Oh, no,
Where's your burger?
in my stomach.
Oh, look at that. Oh, more stairs? Oh, that's the elevator. I was like, what's that? Oh, cool. Look at this. So nice. You can hang out here. Looks like there's something up here. Oh, wait. This is just the bathroom. I'll go all the way around. See. All right. Just a bunch of areas you can eat at. By the way, the weather here is very nice. Not too hot. Oh, okay, here's the popcorn machine. And sometimes the robot is here giving popcorn or scooping popcorn. It's not today. And I was watching someone stream. Oh, they got clothing too. That's cool. I might want to get something. Let's see. Look at, I don't know if you guys can see on the screen. There's a diner shop. They got hoodies, shirts, pins, hats, little Cybertrucks. So I got some Tesla stuff. And then in the meantime, look, you can watch. Oh, they're both the same show. So I think it's TV shows during the day and then movies at night. And by a certain time, because of all the neighbors here, they turn off the movies so the screen doesn't disturb them. Anyways, that's our car over there. We gotta go.
I'm gonna take the stairs. Is everything in the elevator? I want to get the
Yeah, you want to see the elevator?
Look at the.
Look, it's really cool.
Yeah, let's do it.
Is it cool? Take a look.
You saw it, or who saw it?
Jane and Dre. Yeah, me and Dre. I'm just gonna take the stairs now because I don't got
Guess you're stuck with me.
Yep.
Is it? Oh yeah, look at all these colors. I guess to get the full experience, huh? Might as well. You're wild. Nope, they're gone. They left us.
Oh, we beat them.
Oh, hi. So competitive. She's like, no, I was here.